Alrighty. All right, so let me show you how to go ahead and set up a Klever Wallet real quick or Tronic Wallet. All right, so share screen. Share screen here. Great. All right, so I just sent a link to myself. All right, so you can go ahead and click on Klever. Again, I like Klever, but Klever isn't available on desktop. So your call. What's the best thing to do? Okay. So clicking on it. Install. We're going to go ahead and, as soon as it's finished installing, and obviously it depends on how fast your internet is and stuff like that, but mine is downloading. So we just got to wait for it to finish download. Click on open. All right, you can go ahead and read through all the stuff here. Hit continue. So we're going to do create a wallet. All right, I'm going to enter a PIN. All right, okay. And then you would choose the seed phrases. Now, I'm just using this for demonstration purposes only, but you might want to do this as well. So go ahead and follow these steps, right? I'm gonna actually get something to write this down with, so bear with me 1 second to pause the video. Okay, once you wrote them down, go ahead and click on I've written them down. Now it's gonna ask you, so that's why you really wanna write them down, it's gonna ask you for your 12 words. So you gotta go put them in order. So this was globe, radar, symbol, snack, sense, blade, mansion, until, pepper, claw, present, group. Verify. To verify is that your seed, Yep, so I never give it to anyone. So I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes only. I'm not gonna use this. So you wouldn't really wanna do this on a screen like what I'm doing it, because anyone that has these codes can pull up your wallet from anywhere in the world. All right, so never act seed, got it. Okay, so got it. Okay, there you go. Now your Klever Wallet set up. You want to come over here and search for USDT. Now there's two of them. You can see if you look real closely, one says ERC20, another one says TRC20. For the purposes of what we're doing right now, you would want to use USD TRC20, very important, okay? Now this is your TRC20 wallet. It's telling you, hey, this is on the Tron, so I understand. Now from here, to receive your funds, you gotta click on receive, copy, all right? If you do the share button, it's going to, if you use the share button, it will go ahead and share the QR code. So you wanna copy it. Now you have your deal available. So just you can see right here, I'm sending this to myself to another WhatsApp. Bada bing, that's the wallet. Now that's your receive wallet. You would go ahead and put that wherever you want to receive, or if you have to send a person that wanted to send you TRC20, that's where it would go. And then as soon as that's done, it would show up in here. All right, go ahead and put the code back in. I forgot what, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Okay, so put the code back in, bada bing, bada boom, the money would show up right there. All right, so that is how to set up a Klever Wallet. Okay, for those of you that prefer to use TronLink, again, is really a choice with them. Okay, so let me see what I just did here. Click on download wallet. All right, and this is for Android. Click on Android if you have Android or iOS. Up to you if you got iPhone, iOS, of course, if you got a regular Samsung or anything that operates on the other one, you click on Android. So enable. Actually, I think I see what happened here. I'm gonna have to stop this because yeah, I stopped because I realized that I do already have a Tron link on this device. So just follow the same steps you just did for Klever. Download it, put the seed on there, and go ahead and copy your 12 digits down. Right, create wallet. It'll show up. Search a USDT. In this case, it would look like on Tron link. Let me see. So I already got one already set up on here. I forgot to have it. Okay, so you would go in there, then you click on your wallets will come up. Sometimes you might have to come in here and click on add assets, which is in the bottom. All right. Let's see in the bottom. You click on assets, it'll show you the assets. You could add the assets that you want to add. Right hand side right here, the little plus button. Click on here and you can add. So you wanted to add another token, right? See all the tokens down here. So you wanted to add, I don't know, JSTC, or let's just click on one of them. So you want to add this NFT, right? So if you didn't see USDT show up, you would click on like that, add an asset, come back here, follow the same procedure, come to USDT, right? And hit on receive, right? Here goes your wallet. Okay, copy the collection address, copy it, and you would send that to whomever or do whatever you need to do with that, right? So I could send that to myself for the person that wants to send me some Tron if you want to, or USDT. Actually paste it. Oh, now you have that. You can send it to me. That's it. So thank you. Hopefully this is helpful. Let me know if you need help with anything else along these lines.